Hello everyone, it's Johnny Bracco, the angelic soul pilot, with you again. Thank you for joining me. We're going to do a wonderful card reading today. So just take your time, closing your eyes and going within yourself. Taking a few deep breaths. Nice big breath in. Holding it. And then exhaling and releasing any stress. And again, taking your time, breathing in peaceful energy, aligning with it, and exhaling and letting go of any stress. And one more time, big breath in, positive pure energy coming in, holding on to it, aligning with it, and letting go of everything else. At this time, we're going to call upon our highest spirit guides and angels to be with us. Imagine beautiful healing light and healing energy coming in. Feeling lighter already, more empowered already. And at this time, imagine beautiful beings of light, the beautiful angels, the divine angels, the heavenly angels, all around you, bringing you peace and bringing you warmth and comfort. And they have powerful messages they'd like to share with you now. And imagine feeling their energy as they come towards you, beautiful beings of light. And the first message they have for you is to try and attend workshops and seminars, group meetings, to get out there and connect with more loving beings like yourself, more light-filled beings like yourself, more gentle beings like yourself, beautiful souls that you can connect with even more on an even deeper level. They'd like to bring you more support through other people, through other friends that you're going to meet at these workshops, at these seminars. And they assure you that you're going to learn so much when you go there, when you attend meditation groups and healing groups. You're going to learn so much and heal so much and grow so much and blossom so much. It's going to bring out the healer in you. And I'd like you to help you to do that. So listen to the guidance, listen to the messages, and trust these divine messages you're being given. Your loving angels are here to help, and they will help you through the people you'll meet at these seminars and groups, and you'll be helping yourself too. Take your time now, going within yourself once again, letting that beautiful message sink in. Feeling the angels with us as they continue to support us, seeing these beautiful beings of love and light. Imagine one coming towards you, and the message she has for you is to trust yourself, to open yourself up, to open up your heart, to open up your mind, open up your soul, accept and receive all the divine messages coming through to you, all the divine messages around you, coming to you, through your thoughts, through your feelings, through your emotions, through your ideas. And listen to the guidance you're being given in all different ways, trusting yourself, more and more every day, understanding that you can trust yourself, that it is safe. And the angels really want you to hear this message. They remind you how important it is to love yourself and trust yourself. Now is the time to really accept all of you and all the beautiful messages you are receiving and will continue to receive. Keep following your path, your life path, your track, and know all is in divine order and you're being led to where you're meant to be at all times. Thanking the angels for bringing forth that powerful message. Thanking that train that went by to remind us of how important that message is for us to hear. Sounding the alarm that it's time to listen and trust yourself now more than ever. Imagining now another beautiful being of light, another angel with her loving presence coming forward. And she wants you to open up your third eye, your spiritual gifts, that energy center in between your eyes, between your middle of your head. It's a powerful energy center to help you open up to all your spiritual gifts, all your psychic gifts, all of your natural healing abilities, all those natural gifts that come to you so easily, so automatically, how you're able to sense and feel so naturally and to know so automatically all these beautiful gifts. Accept all of them, knowing that you are gifted, you are uniquely gifted, and accept all the different ways you are gifted. Know that you don't have to compare yourself to anyone. Other people's gifts are for them, and your gifts are for you. So use your gifts to the best of your abilities, knowing that it's safe and that you're helping yourself and others. Trust the gifts that you have, and know that they are enough, more than enough. Accepting that lesson, accepting that message, seeing another beautiful white angel coming forward. And her message is to focus now on your solar plexus chakra, your energy center in your stomach area and your belly. As your divine power center makes you who you are, reminds you why you're here, gives you the energy to keep moving forward, to help you light that inner fire of yours, to melt away any obstacle, to help light your path as you carry on. So visualize beautiful golden yellow light in your belly. I know the angels are sending you healing and empowering energy to that center at this time, helping you to balance it and empower it even more. And finally, another angel steps forward, smiling at you, and she wants you to visualize success for yourself, see yourself as happy as you've ever been, more successful than you've ever been, more complete, more fulfilled in every area of your life. To see it, to feel it, to imagine it, to accept it, and to know that that is the truth, that that is on the way, and you can accept that fulfillment now, knowing that it's already here. You can have the feelings now as you walk into that success and accept it now. You are worthy. Take your time gathering up all those messages, thanking the angels for this time, thanking the angels for these beautiful messages, bringing all that energy and messages back into your physical body as you slowly come back to this time and place.